We have these free webinars. Basically, they're for people who really don't have much experience in trading to learn a little bit more, learn the basics. We cover everything from fundamentals, looking at central banks, government bank policy, and how that affects financial markets. We look at a little bit of technicals, look at some charts, do some analysis. Often these events as well coincide with FOMC, which is the Federal Open Market Committee meeting in the United States, where they're announcing interest rates in the United States. So then there'll be a lot of market volatility and we can watch the market live, maybe put some trades on as well to see how things go there. So really it's, I'd say half of the audience have never traded before. And so it's just a gentle introduction to what it's all about, giving people an idea so that they can make a decision. Do they want to progress any further and learn a bit more, or is it something that they're not really too interested in?